One other thing wey I wan tell you.
Okay.
This motor dey drink fuel like say e be fish.
Jesus!
Oga, make I ask you, where you for take dey buy the fuel wey you dey put inside this your motor?
Na for filling station. One small filling station around my side there. Their fuel is the cheapest around that area compared to others.
Oh, Mumu, not too much.
That's where I got my fuel.
I hope they do wetin e dey run belle. Oga, you don go buy cheap article put for motor. Oga, e get wetin I even notice. As I dey check this your vehicle, that fuel wey I see no be better fuel. That fuel na fuel with extra water.
Are you playing?
And if care is not taken, that fuel that cheap article fuel wey you go dey buy, that yeye fuel wey you go dey buy, so e go turn your engine or e go turn your tank to borehole. E go even turn am to well if care is not taken.
No wonder. This my car dey always misfire.
If dey misfire na you no happy, shebi na misfire e just dey misfire. Very soon this motor go soon goodbye fire. That one you go wan start engine like this, you no go start. You go wan start am, you no go start. Oga, see, make I tell you something. No dey buy cheap article fuel again. I go help you change your fuel filter. After I don change your fuel filter, no dey buy fuel for that place wey you dey buy fuel again. Change filling station to better filling station. I hope dey run belle. So my people, the advice wey we get for una be say,
buy good fuel.
because your car no be kettle wey take dey boil water.